It's important to us to make sure that you have the latest and the best information you can to keep yourself and your family safe. Earlier this week, several Emerald area schools announced that they will be extending their spring break through next week in an effort to try and prevent students and faculty from the coronavirus. Well, today, the governor announced the executive order that all schools will be closed until April 3rd. The Texas Education Agency has instructed schools to continue with instruction for students. KMR Local 4's Jason Bridge spoke with Canyon ISD Superintendent Dr. Darryl Flusche about the efforts being taken and the plan moving forward as we separate facts from fears surrounding the coronavirus pandemic.
Canyon ISD Superintendent Dr. Darryl Flusche, along with other superintendents across the state, call it an unprecedented event.
It hasn't happened before, where an epidemic has caused schools to be forced to close and to deliver instruction in another manner besides students coming to school buildings.
CISD is one of several schools in the Texas Panhandle that is canceling school next week due to COVID-19, with remote learning a strong and almost certain possibility.
We anticipate that instruction will continue with students at home.
Some of the concerns that Flusche says have been raised is parents who don't have childcare, which he knows will be a challenge for them.
I would suggest that they look in the same avenues that they did for this current week, which is spring break, and whatever arrangements they have for spring break, that they hopefully can continue those into next week.
Also an issue at hand is providing and getting food to students in need who rely on discounted meals during the week.
There's a federal program that Canyon ISD has applied for, which would allow us to have if you will, a feeding program. That's the name of the program from the federal government, and when we do that, we can provide meals at some school sites and have the ability for students in any of our grades to come to those sites to eat there or for a grab-and-go kind of pickup meal.
And with the ever-changing updates, Flusche says he wants area residents to know that the decisions they'll make will have safety at its top priority.
The messages and information coming to us from our governing bodies, from the federal government, the state government, Texas Education Agency, even the health department, evolves within hours. And so we're working to be responsive to that, but most importantly, let's protect our kids, let's protect our students and staff and our community.
In Canyon, Jason Bridge, KMR Local 4 News.
Now, as we mentioned, several area schools have announced cancellations and postponements. For a look at who is doing that and for how long, we provided you that information over on our website. That is myhighplains.com. Jackie?